got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Let's do it, man. What you got? What you running in here, man?
Champs, base 8K, and then these are ZVX 18s.
Yes, sir. You stuffed it in here.
Well, I used the old box. Yeah. I used to have 2 in a 4th order. I used that shell and then bumped out on each side of a 3 in. So from teardown to this, it took 12 hours.
I wasn't too bad then. It didn't take you a couple months to do it.
The prepping for it though, I was piecing things together for many, many months.
Yeah. So, you take a little time sometimes.
Yeah. It's been a fun build. I got one more in me.
You gotta put one more in there.
One more build. I mean, it's either these 3 in a 4th order, just like a bird box, or trying to add a 4th one or something.
That could be done. Just take the face out of it and redo it.
No, I'm gonna have to take the whole thing out. I don't want to put a 4th one in there. The back wall is 6 inches thick.
Yeah.
I had to shrink it down. It plays a lot punchier though. So
yeah.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, man. Where can I find you on social media? You on social media anywhere?
Just Facebook, really.
Okay, where can I find you on there?
CJ Grissman.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow.
This guy right here.
Yes, sir. Y'all be sure to give him a follow.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna try to catch out there again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Out there.
You struggle with that one, eh? You struggle trying to get it in there.
I put the box in
I said, you want to go like that. I was gonna say you must have mounted them all up first.
First I got the box in, and I put it on the angle. I want to get this.
They're just
You want to do it?
No.
not a bit more.
Which input you have to get to do that? Which input?
I just got these from my buddy.
I'm gonna say, sir, I know they said it's certain ones you gotta have to make it work.
They gotta be offset.
Offset.
Yeah.
That gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.